You're watching Hexas TV, and we're going to be doing some extreme, and I mean extreme, overclocking with Ms. Paul Watkinson from Benchtec UK. Paul, welcome to Hexas TV.
Thank you very much.
Now, before we actually get into like the extreme side of things, and let's just say, okay, Paul, take us through some of the stuff which you're going to be using, because you've got an array of bits here, and you were saying to me before that you're going to wind up some of the guys on your forums with the stuff which you're going to show off here now.
Yeah, I hope they don't get too wound up.
Because this is just a small proportion, isn't it?
Yeah, just a small proportion, but as you know, there's a lot of work involved with testing and being supported by
You make it sound like a tough life, and you just get all this stuff for free, don't you?
Yes, but it is a tough life. You know it is. There's a lot of work, and I don't get paid for it, so unfortunately I get to keep some of the hardware, but some of it does have to go back.
I can hear someone playing a violin for you somewhere.
Yeah. I know.
Okay, right. So Benchtec UK guys, and the guys that populate the forums, it's a tough old job. Being given all of this lovely kit, and someone has to do it. Yeah. Exactly. Okay, so take us through then. Let's start off with like.
What we've got is a couple of 4870x2 Asus graphics cards, first of all.
Right, so that's basically, they're fairly standard, aren't they? Not knocking Asus, but they're...
No, they're just the standard 4870x2 cards, but...
Have you volt modded them or anything?
No volt mods at all.
Nothing at all, they're just
bog standard.
Okay, all right, and what else are you going to be using today?
The lovely shiny Rampage 2 Extreme.
Now, this isn't released yet, is it?
No, there's only, I believe, 2 in the country.
2 in the country, and you've got one of them here.
Yeah.
Tough old life again, isn't it?
But someone's got to be bigger than God, haven't they?
Absolutely. All right. Okay. And what's in the box there?
That's the golden one from Intel. This is their new, lovely, Extreme 1366.
This is the 1366, is it?
Yes, this is the new baby.
Right. Okay. And is this like a hand-picked one, or
no, this is just an engineering sample that was sent to me.
Right, so that'll have Intel Confidential printed on it somewhere then, will it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
That will.
Yeah. Always a good one to look for if you're buying off of eBay.
No. They can,
okay, what's in the rather plain box here then?
This was the Smackover board that Intel sent me with the chip. Right. Basically, for me to get started, because the Rampage wasn't even sort of like
knocking around
out, really.
So can I just ask, why are you going to use the Rampage rather than the Smackover?
Basically, the Rampage offers a few other options for overclocking, extreme overclocking, high voltages, and various other settings that we can do within Windows. Right. Unlike the Smackover. The Smackover is a fantastic board. Don't get me wrong.
Right.
I've had this up to over 4 gig on air, which for, like I say, a desktop board is outstanding. And I have actually had this running on the Cascade at 4.9 gig. So it's pretty outstanding, you know.
But you just reckon you can go that little bit further with the Rampage, do you?
We shall try.
We shall try, yeah.
We shall try.
Yeah, by the way, yeah, just so you know, yeah, that Paul's not actually ever stuck liquid nitrogen on the Rampage board. This is the first time this has actually happened, I think, ever, isn't it?
Yes, I haven't stuck nitrogen on there at all. So this will be a first.
Shouldn't be that bad, isn't it?
That is very noisy as well. Sorry, guys.
Right, okay. But let's just quickly pop through the other bits and bobs in. So what's down in this rather plain box here? I'll open this one. What's this? What's in it?
That's the new Kingston tri-channel stuff.
Right, okay.
This is rated at 2,000 megahertz with timings 99924, 1.65 volts.
So you're hoping to get some performance out of that, then?
Yeah, it's really low voltage.
So so that gives you lots of headroom to ramp the voltage up, I presume?
Well, unlike the old 775 stuff, where we had to stick like 2.2 volts for it to get 2,000 megahertz with 99925, now we're like 1.65 volts.
Okay, but I noticed sitting next to it is one of my favourites.
Beautiful stuff from Corsair. This is their tri-channel stuff. You can see that's rated for 1866 with slightly tighter timings, 88824, 1.65 volts. And also with this kit that they've sent, we've got a nice little water cooling arrangement.
So you're going to water cool the RAM then?
Yeah, that will water cool that.
Ah, I've seen this.
It's got a nice little tech block. Yeah. How much difference this is going to make to the memory.
I think we might have seen photographs of this on Hexas actually. Before everybody else,
Yeah, I think you did. I think you guys had this before me.
Yeah.
So It'd be interesting to see how this performs.
Yeah, I'd love to see it. And you're going to slap it on a Nautilus, are you?
Yes, great.
Okay, all right. And finally, what's this thing I've been leaning on here? Actually, it weighs a tonne. What is it?
That's the actual LN2 part. I won't unbox it yet, but this basically will sit on top of the processor, fully insulated, and we will pour the liquid nitrogen into it.
When we say we, you mean me?
Well,
I get a go, don't I?
Yeah, you can have a go.
Fantastic. Okay.
And I'm going to be watching it all on this beautiful BenQ monitor that they supplied.
Wonderful. Right, so first thing is, though, we're going to plug it all in and try some overclocks on air to just see what happens.
Basically, I want to see what the ball can do on air, first of all.
Right.
And then, you know, see where we go from there. Then insulate the board up, get the pot on, and then we'll start really overclocking.
Classic. Right, so there we go. So we're going to start off on a bit of air, and then we're going to start cranking things up. So check back soon on HSTV for some more extreme overclocking with Benchtec UK and Paul Watkinson.